Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nura Aina Jiha binti Zulkifli. My number metric is S59463. So the question that I choose is 8.4, animal feed mix problem, the battery park stable. So this is the data for problem 8.4. There is diet requirement, feed mix and minimum daily requirement. So the decision variable is XA for pound of oat product, XB for pound of enriched grain, and XC for mineral product. So before we start to use the solver, we need to know the objective function for this problem. So the objective function is minimize total cost, which is 0.09 XA plus 0.14 XB plus 0.17 XC. And then subject to for the ingredient A is 2XA plus 3XB plus XC. So this is the greater than 6. And then for the ingredient B is 0.5 XA plus XB plus 0.5 XC. So this is the greater than 2. And then for the ingredient C is 3XA plus 5XB plus 6XC. So also same, the greater than the minimum requirement is 9. And then for the ingredient D is XA plus 1.5 XB plus 2 XC. So greater than 8. And then for the ingredient E is 0.5 XA plus 0.5 XB plus 1.5 XC. So greater than 5. So greater than 5. And then lastly, for the total feed per day, which is a non-negative constraint, is XA plus XB plus XC. This is the smaller than the total feed. This is the smaller than total feed per day, which is 6 pound. And then after we finish to objective function, we must to complete this total cost, which is the total cost for daily mix of 3 fixed mix ni. And then for the variable is XA for oat products, XB for enriched grain, XC for mineral product. And then for the solution, we assume 1 for each feed mix. And then the minimized cost is 0.09. For the enriched, 0.14. And then for the mineral, 0.17. So we for the total cost is equal sum product, so solution plus width minimize. So we get 0.4, and then we complete the constraint for the ingredient A, 2, 3, 1, 6. Then we complete for the ingredient B, 0.5, 1, 0.5, 2. For the ingredient C, 3, 5, 6, greater than 9. And then for the ingredient D, 1, 1.5, 2. And then the greater is 8. For the ingredient E is 1. For the ingredient E is 0.5, 0.5, 1.5. And then we get 5. And then for the total fit is 1, 1, 1, and then the smaller than 6. So how do we get the LHS is sum product equals sum product to solution equals sum product. So we take the solution plus with the constraint ingredient A. So for the ingredient B also same. So this formula also same until the total fit. So we just get the total of we just get all the total of LHS, and then we need to find the total cost. We use the solver data. So for the set objective, we just take the total cost for the objective, and then to minimize, because the question is to minimize the total cost, and then for the changing variable, we take the solution for the three fit mix, and then subject to constraint. Okay, we take all of this greater than. So cell reference, we take all LHS with the greater than. We take it because we use the we find the greater than, and then the constraint, we take RHS. Okay, and then for reference LHS, we take 3 less than, smaller than, constraint 6. Okay, okay, and then we tick to because we don't want negative, so we tick make unconstrained variable non-negative, and then we solve, and then keep solver solution, and then we click OK. So this is the answer of this problem, which is the total cost is 0.686, and then the solution for oat product is 1.33. For enrich, we have for enrich is 0, and for the mineral product is 3.333, and then we get a 0.6866. So uh, so that's all from me. Thank you.